Alright, so we're going to quickly make a simple Slack bot using the Python framework. So you'll log into your Slack team on the website. You'll click Manage, Custom Integrations, Bots, and you'll click Add to Slack. We'll make one, call it Live Demo. And here we're going to get a secret key. And we're going to need to know that key. So we'll save that and we'll get back to that in just a minute. So now we're at a terminal. We're just going to make a directory for this. Now we're in live demo. We're going to create a new virtual environment. We're going to activate that virtual environment. We'll install Simple Slackbot. And now we should have everything we need for Simple Slackbot. So now we're going to make a bot that replies Pong to every message that has the word ping in it. So let's do that now. We'll call it bot.py. And at the top, all we have to do is import simple slackbot. And here, we're going to create an instance of our simple Slackbot. We'll turn on debugging just so we can see what's going on. And now we have this object that we can use throughout our code. So the first thing we can do is we're going to use decorator, and we're going to decorate this function called Pong callback. And the Slackbot framework will give you the request object for all these messages that are coming in. So now that we have a message, we can say, hey, if the request is a message and the request message.lowers content is equal to ping, then we can say request.writeback Pong. So for all messages that come in, this function will be called with a request. We're going to make sure, hey, is this a message? And if it is a message, we'll grab the contents, set it to lowercase. If it's ping, we'll write back Pong. Then from there, we'll just make a main method. And we'll call it. Okay. So now we will do the actual setting up the Slackbot token. And we'll go back. We've saved in our clipboard that token. And now we should be able to just run our bot. And this is because we forgot to source our virtual environment. So I was just thinking. So now we are connecting. And one of the things we'll notice is this isn't going to work right away. We're going to have our Slack button here. And if we write ping, it's not going to reply with Pong right away. And that's because the bot isn't in this channel. So what we're going to want to do is say invite, live demo, and now that it's in the channel, if we write ping, there we go, Pong should come back. So every time we write ping, we'll get another Pong. And if we look at the output on the terminal, it's running a little slow, I guess. We'll see all the events coming in. This is all the debug information. So if we didn't want this for any reason, we could just not pass debug equals true, or we could pass our own logger or anything like that. So this is just a quick example. I suggest reading the README or digging through the code. There's not a lot. And if you have any questions, feel free to make an issue on the GitHub repo. I'll put the link to the repo in the description below. Thanks for watching.